3, 2, 1.
Which hormone is responsible for growth and development in humans? The answer is A. Insulin. The Orinoco River flows through which South American countries? The answer is C. Venezuela, Bolivia. What sciences are the study of living organisms? The answer is A. Life sciences. The Paraná River forms a delta with which river? The answer is D. La Plata. At any given time on Earth, some countries can be in bed and others are in the middle of the day enjoying the outdoors. Why? The answer is C. Planet rotation. Which company developed the world's first graphical web browser, Mosaic? The answer is B. Netscape. What is the longest novel according to word count? The answer is A. War and Peace. Pepsin is an enzyme that acts in the stomach for protein digestion. Which of these is most likely the main role of pepsin in this metabolic reaction? The answer is A. To speed up the rate of reaction. What is etiology the study of? The answer is C. The causation of disease. What has a seat, 4 legs, and is never at school? The answer is A. Dining chair. Where's the fruiting body normally produced in relation to the food source? The answer is B. At the surface. Proteins are one of 4 classes of what type of compounds? The answer is B. Biochemical. 2 important concepts, niche and habitat, are associated with what? The answer is D. Ecosystem. Which king of Israel captured Jerusalem and made it the capital of his kingdom? The answer is B. David. Which political party won the U.S. presidential election in 2020? The answer is B. Republicans. Who was the first female vice president of the United States? The answer is A. Kamala Harris. Which of these languages would you find spoken in Indonesia? The answer is D. Javanese. What is the currency of Argentina? The answer is D. Peso. The shield type of what phenomenon commonly forms above hotspots in the oceans? The answer is B. Volcano. What is the word for a relationship between two different types of organism which live together for their mutual benefit? The answer is C, symbiosis. What is the largest animal ever to have lived? The answer is C, colossal squid. Which pair of organisms benefits each other the most? The answer is C, squirrels burying seeds from a tree. What was the name of the first science fiction short story Isaac Asimov wrote? The answer is B, cosmic corkscrew. What type of inheritance controls blood types in humans? The answer is C, multiple alleles. Who is known as the father of modern medicine? The answer is A, Hippocrates. Who created the Statue of Liberty? The answer is C, Frederick Bartholdi. Gametes are products through meiosis in which organs? The answer is C, gonad. The TV show Charmed, which started in 1998, starred Shannon Doherty and Alyssa Milano as sisters Prudence and Phoebe Halliwell. Which actress played the other sister, Piper? The answer is A, Holly Marie Combs. Which psychology theory states that people learn from rewards and punishments? The answer is A, behaviorism. What is the capital of Impressionism art movement? The answer is A, Paris. Which ancient civilization used sundials? The answer is C, Greeks. Which psychologist is known for his theory of cognitive development stages in children? The answer is A, Jean Piaget. Who wrote the semi-autobiographical novel Junkie, which gives an account of the lifestyle of heroin addicts in the early 1950s? The answer is D, William S. Burroughs. Which law states for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction? The answer is C, Newton's first law. What is the tough tissue that contains collagen? The answer is B, cartilage. The meninges, a system of membranes that envelop the central nervous system, consist of 3 layers. Which of the following is not a name of a layer? The answer is D, gray matter. Which household item can you find under a mattress? The answer is D, pillow. What was the name of Margaret Mitchell's only book written in 1936? The answer is D, Gone with the Wind. The longest word in English contains 28 letters. What is it? The answer is A. Newman ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Where does the process of assembling amino acids into a protein take place? The answer is C. In the ribosome. Which sci-fi series features the character Data? The answer is B. Star Trek: The Next Generation. Which is a unit of measure for length? The answer is A. Meters. Elissa was classifying types of energy as either potential or kinetic. Which is a type of potential energy? The answer is D. Chemical energy. Which of these formations are typically the highest point from sea level? The answer is C. A cooled lava top. In 1971, one of the classics of the film noir genre was made in color, Chinatown. The cast was stellar, as well as the director. Can you name him? The answer is A. Roman Polanski. Which vegetable is a type of pepper, but larger and milder in flavor? The answer is A. Bell pepper. Which is likeliest to let a spark pass through? The answer is D. A soda can. Equilibriums are affected by changes in concentration, total pressure or volume, and this. The answer is D. Temperature. Which actress portrayed the character Eleven in Stranger Things? The answer is B. Millie Bobby Brown. What is defined as a repeating series of events that include growth, DNA synthesis, and cell division?